What's up, everybody? This is Whiskey in the Six. I'm Rob. Today I'm doing Macallan Edition Number 3. Okay, so I've done the 3 together in a live. I haven't actually had a chance to review Macallan Edition Number 3. This bottle was provided to me by a good friend, Paulo. He went to the States, grabbed it for me, brought it back, because this is not available yet in Ontario, but will be very shortly. Before I get into detail about this, I want to talk to you guys about snups. In a minute, I'm going to cut to another scene where I'm going to show you the app and show you how to get into the app and how to get into the Whiskey in the Six group. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to be doing a Lot 40 cask strength giveaway. That bottle was donated to the channel by Bill. He's a Snups member, great guy. He asked me to use it however I thought was fitting, and because I've already reviewed it and tasted it and I have another one stashed away in my collection, I decided to give it to you guys because I thought that would be a great idea, and he thought that would be a great idea as well. So the way this is going to work is you're going to go to Snups, you're going to download the app. In a minute when I show you, you're going to know how to do that exactly, but you can download it for free on iOS or Android. And you're going to post a picture of your favorite whiskey, either your favorite whiskey or the best whiskey that you have in your collection. All right, it could be interchangeable, just because I know that sometimes people don't always have their favorite whiskey in their collection. So favorite whiskey or best whiskey they have. All right, and that will start right about now. All right, so this is the way you're gonna join Snups. First of all, you have to have that app. You can download that for free on iOS or Android. Okay, so you click there. It's loading up. Basically, what I want you guys to do is post a picture of your favorite whiskey, all right? The best whiskey in your collection or your favorite whiskey, because you might not actually have a picture of your favorite whiskey at the moment. So either the best whiskey in your collection or your favorite whiskey. To get to the group, first of all, you make a profile over here, and you can add shelving by clicking new shelf. You click this little plus sign at the bottom, then go to new shelf and name the shelf whatever you like. All right, I'm gonna cancel because I already have my shelves made. Then to join the Whiskey in the Six group, which is the important part of the giveaway, you're gonna go to this sign right here. You're gonna have to search for it because it's not gonna be part of your groups. These are my groups at the top. These are featured groups. It'll probably be in the featured groups, but you can just search Whiskey in the Six at the top bar there. All right, so you're gonna click Whiskey in the Six once you've seen it. All right, discuss and share over here. And then you're gonna click this box with the 4 boxes in it, go to items, and then pick your favorite whiskey from your items to post in the group. And that is how you will be entered into the draw for the Snups giveaway. All right, welcome back. So, Macallan Edition Number 3. So as I've explained in the past on a couple other videos, one with the Ambassador Cam and another in the live where I had the Edition 1, 2, and 3 side by side, this is made in collaboration with master perfumer Roja Dove, or Roja Dove, or I don't know how to pronounce his first name. I'm gonna say Roja. All right, and he's a master perfumer. I think it's just a coincidence that his last name is Dove, because Dove is a soap, but which happens to smell nice. But Bob Dalgarno and Roja Dove, or however you pronounce his name, picked casks together that they thought smelled beautiful, that would work really well as a perfume or a cologne or whatever, to really accentuate the smell of this beautiful whiskey. Now, when I first smelt it, I I didn't recognize it as a Macallan, but giving this more time to open up in the bottle, time to kind of just become what it's meant to be, it does smell a lot like a Macallan. I would be able to pick this out in a crowd for sure as a Macallan. And it does have a beautiful nose. Honestly though, I will say that I love the Edition Number 1 nose and taste. So I think as far as collaborations go, they're almost unnecessary because Bob Dalgarno is a genius, in my opinion. To add to that, I really think that Bob Dalgarno is a big reason why Macallan was able to withstand the 1824 series drama of eliminating some of their no age statements for a short period of time so that they can reestablish their whiskeys, get them to a point where they're able to pump out age statement whiskeys again. From what I know, and I'm not gonna share all of what I know just because I'm not sure how much of it is hearsay or what, but the Macallan is going back to a lot of age statement whiskeys, and there are going to be a few different kinds from what I hear. Maybe not true, I don't know for sure. We'll see. But it does sound pretty cool, and they did just release a single cask series. I don't think I'll ever get to see those because they were very limited, but they just released those recently. Beautiful nose. There's a little bit of bourbon in this one, bourbon cask that is, which is different than the Edition 1 and 2, which were exclusively sherry casks. This one shows that there's 6 different types of casks. It's bottled at 48.3%, it's natural color, and it is unchill filtered. Alright. Nose is gorgeous. I don't really pick up too much ex-bourbon cask in there. Maybe a touch of vanilla that reminds me of an ex-bourbon cask, but not much. Sherry still kind of dominates. Unlike the Fine Oak series where sherry doesn't necessarily dominate, in my opinion. Robust, sweet, viscous. Everything you want Macallan to be, in my opinion. When you have this as a one-off, without tasting the 1 and the 2, you get to appreciate it that much more. Nice cinnamon on the back end. Citrus for sure. Definitely towards like a tangerine. Sweet, sweet tangerine. A little bit of cedar wood. This one's not astringent like the Edition 2 was. Really nice flavors in there. Pretty dynamic. Definitely pick out the fruits from the sherry. Definitely some cinnamon from the sherry wood as well. Or that could be American oak wood as well. Just really, really nice. I think you guys know my answer. I kind of gave it away in my Whiskey of the Year review that this was going to be an A+. It's an A+. I don't see how I could give that any less than that. All right. I do prefer the Edition 1, but this is neck and neck with the Edition 2. So if you like the Edition 2, you're going to love this as well. All right. And who knows, if you like a little bit of ex-bourbon cask influence in your whiskey, this one might be a little bit more balanced for you. So definitely pick that up. It's going to be probably around $170 to $180 in Ontario, but in the US, it's pretty widely available already, and it varies from what I've seen at $90 to $110 US. Okay, so I think This one was they paid $100 for this one, which in my opinion is a steal for a great whiskey. So definitely worth it. Pick up a bottle or do what I did and pick up 2, because one for drinking and one for collecting, because they are limited. All right. So definitely worth collecting in my opinion. And they look nice in a collection because the edition 1's green, 2 is orange, this one's yellow. I'm gonna say that the edition 4 is gonna be blue, but I could be wrong. I probably am wrong. I don't think they're gonna go with red again though, just because they just use red for the classic cut. So I'm thinking blue, but if they're using similar ideas like fall looking colors, then maybe brown. Who knows? I'm not sure. This one's awesome though. A+ for sure. Check out Snups. Like I said earlier, you guys really should join us. Join the Whiskey in the Six group. Post a picture to enter into the draw. Get a chance to win a very rare bottle in my opinion. You also can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, guys. Thanks for the support. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you can click the like button. Help get the word out. All right. Cheers.